It's so peaceful today, right? The rain sounds so comforting. What? Do you not like it? Yeah, I agree. Rain sounds can be relaxing when it's soft rain. But when it gets too intense and loud, it's pretty scary. But don't worry, because if it gets loud, you have your super strong, super reliable, and capable girlfriend here to take care of you. I'll hold you super close and super tight, like this. Tighter? Okay. And we have the universal magical shield that keeps us safe from basically everything. Our fuzzy blanket. See? We're perfectly safe. So if the sounds get scary, we'll be fine. Aw. Sure, I can sing for you. You miss it? You're so cute. I'll sing as many as you want. So what do you want to hear? I get to choose? This is gonna be hard. Okay. There's this song that I've been listening to a lot recently that I really, really like. And I think you're gonna like it too. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna start. I wanna hold on to you. Find us a corner for two. When you grow older, I'll be your shoulder still. The right one. Yeah, I'll be the right one. Okay, the right shoulder. You're so silly. And I will take you as my wife. You take my soul, take my life. Oh, I just met you. I wanna take this ride. You and I, never, ever, never to return. All I'm asking of you is let me be the one to carry you. I'll carry you home till I'm old and gray. All I'm asking of you is let me be the one to carry you. I'll carry you home till I'm old and gray. Excuse you? I do not have gray hair. Oh yeah? Then rip it out. Because I want to see it. Show me this gray hair you said I have. May I remind you, you're not younger than me. If I'm old, so are you. Shut up. Let me sing. See what you did? Now I forgot the lyrics. Wait, I'll remember them. Oh, okay. Shh. I see our kids in the park, running around till it's dark. When they grow older, we'll help them count the stars. Over and over, I will be where you are, and never far, ever. You'll never, ever, ever be alone. All I'm asking of you is let me be the one to carry you. I'll carry you home till I'm old and gray. All I'm asking of you is let me be the one to carry you. I'll carry you home till I'm old and gray. And it just continues like that, and the chorus repeats itself again. Isn't it beautiful? I love it so much. It's by Tiago Iorc. He's a Brazilian artist. Yeah. I'm pretty sure he used to make music in English, but this one's just a bonus track on one of his Portuguese albums. Yeah. I think it's my favorite album of his. At least it's the one that I listen to the most. All the songs are very beautiful. Yeah, I can show you the album sometime if you want. Yeah, I could sing another one. But they're in Portuguese, so you won't really understand anything. Yeah, I guess I could translate it as I sing. But if I am going to sing in Portuguese, sadly, I'm going to have to ask for payment. So, what's it going to be? Not enough. Okay, I'll do it now. I'll do one of my favorites from the album. It's called Cataflor. Cataflor basically means like catching flowers, to catch flowers, or a flower catcher. Catching flowers, basically. And it starts with saio por aí, juntando flor por flor, só pra te mostrar o que a vida fez com todo amor. Só pra ti, só pra ti, só pra ti. That means, it's basically about him walking around and collecting a bunch of flowers just to show his loved one what life made, as he says, with all the love just for you. All for you. And then it continues with saio por aí, juntando flor por flor, só pra te lembrar que a natureza tentou imitar quando olhou pra ti, só pra ti, só pra ti. Once again, I walk around collecting flowers, flower by flower, floor by floor, just to remind you of what nature tried to imitate when it looked at you. Only you. E se eu quiser dizer que o universo é feito pra você, só pra você. E se eu quiser dizer que o universo inteiro mora em você, só pra você, assim como eu. That's the chorus, and it says that it's basically and what if I want to say that the universe is made just for you? And what if I want to say that the universe exists in you? Only you. Just like me. Only you. All for you. Assim como eu ando pelo vento junto flor por flor, só pra te enfeitar em cada esquina em que você passar, vou sorrir só pra ti, só pra ti. What do you think this verse says? Yeah, that is smile. You did hear a smile in there. Good job. It says that I walk on wind and collect flower by flower just to decorate you. Decorate you. Yeah, sure. To decorate you, and in every crossroad, esquina means crossroad, that you go through, people will smile. And just for you. Again. Because everything is just for you. Yeah, good job for getting that right. And then it's the chorus again, so. Se eu quiser dizer que o universo é feito pra você, só pra você. E se eu quiser dizer que o universo inteiro mora em você, só pra você, assim como eu. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. It goes on like that for a little bit, and the chorus repeats itself again. Yeah, like the first one. Do you like it? You like it when I speak Portuguese? Really? I'll do it more often then. Sure. I could totally teach you. We could do it on the weekend if you want. I'll teach you very useful things. Yes, I will. Of course I won't make fun of you. Why would you say that? Is Sunday good? Okay, it's a date. I love you. You can say eu te amo, which is I love you, eu te amo. Or you can say te amo, which is just love you. Oh, you sounded so pretty. Can you say it again? One more time. Eu também te amo, meu amor. That's I love you too, my love, by the way. You look sleepy. You can go to sleep if you want. Close your eyes. I'll hum. Night, baby. Love you so much. Também te amo.